cringy
so,
suits.
Look at my doodoo head.
Look at, bro, what's up, y'all? Y'all gotta be ready. This dude over here sitting with his
Alright, so what's up,
like
KingBreeZO? Okay, by the way, KingBreeZO here. I'm back with another video. You feel me? And I'm hot. Okay, so today we're finna come with y'all the video. Finna make some slime today. Finna make some slime. I got my poop suit on.
We're in our cringy suits.
I got my
chicken.
poop suit on. He got his chicken. We got the two Pokemon dudes. You feel me? Okay.
Pikachu.
Check that out.
Ow. Pikachu.
Alright, so let's get. Oh, make sure you like, comment, and share on this video. Subscribe to my channel. Yes.
Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to this channel, Carvey 123.
Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to this channel, Banky. And let's get into this video. Okay, so first, what do we want to do? You want?
We're going to do glue. This is my glue.
All right, what do y'all want to do that glue?
I'm gonna do this glue.
Y'all can do it together. Hold on. Just wait. Y'all can do it together. Hold on. Let us pour these in first.
Whoa.
What is enough glue?
Let me get it. Let me get that.
Hold on, Carvey. Hold on. You and Jane can do that one.
Okay, you go ahead, go.
Oh, that's ooh. Why you say ooh?
It's glue.
I want school glues.
Right. Dang, how much is in there?
All right, that's first bottle.
Second bottle.
Second bottle.
Ooh. That's what I said.
Okay. Second bottle. Open this one for them.
What is that?
Carvey, don't do that. Don't do that.
It's gonna spill.
Alright.
Hold on before you pour that in.
I know I'm gonna let them to do it.
How much is in there?
Okay.
Hold on. Don't give it to me yet. Let's put these chairs over.
Yeah.
Scoot your chair over there.
Let me get that.
No, this way.
This way?
That's out of frame. Trying to get all of this stuff in frame. Alright. Get this over.
Where's the other glue?
Alright. There.
Okay, I'm gonna let Carvey do it for 2 seconds. Okay. 1, 2. Stop. Alright, Jaden, get the rest. Yeah.
Put your hand on.
Squeeze it. Squeeze it real hard.
Whoa. That's too much glue.
Let's see. Yeah.
That's too much glue.
Alright, so what should we put in there? No, we gotta put the shaving cream in there.
Can I put?
Hold on, we need a spatula. No,
Can I do this one?
Should we use a spatula? Ask your mom. We can use one, right?
I'm finna ask her.
Ask her real quick.
Alright.
Commercial break.
Commercial break.
Hey y'all, my name's Gustavus, and if you haven't heard about KingBreeZO, make sure you like, comment, and share on this. Make sure you subscribe to his channel, and I'm sure you heard him because you're watching the video. You're watching this commercial, but if you got any friends, tell them to subscribe. By the way, it's Gustavus. Oh, my mustache. Subscribe. Yo, back. Got the spatula.
It's pretty old.
Put the shaving cream in.
Okay.
Can I put this one in?
Hold on, we're gonna put it in.
Oh, dang, this stuff is weird.
Hold on. Yeah, it's hard. Hold on, let me see.
Mix it up. Mix it. Ugh.
Hold on, that might be enough. Probably didn't even need to. Uh-oh.
This smells good.
Seems like it might be too
This smells good.
The more the merrier. The more fluffy.
Hold on.
Let me mix it.
Let's make it super fluffy.
Hold on. Because if we put too much, it's not gonna work. Alright, add a little more. No, hold on, chill. Why you open that one? You could just use this one.
Can I use this one?
Can I use that one?
Alright, stop. We don't want too much.
That's probably gonna be enough. And then we got.
That's probably enough.
Let's go ahead and put the food color
we need
in.
a little bit more. Yeah, we can put food color. Well, hold on. No. Let's keep going with this shaving cream.
Alright.
I wanna.
Hold on, Carvey.
I've been out the frame this whole time.
Whoa. Let me get this one.
Man.
Oh, that's getting
Mix
fluffy.
It's so full.
I'm scared to put my hand in it. No, that's still good. We need some more. Hold on. Well, do it, Carvey. Do it. And then Jane can do it next.
Carvey is hard. Okay.
Okay, that's enough.
That's enough.
Stop.
That's enough.
He kept going.
That's what he always do.
Dang, that's super. That's too much glue. That's
Yeah, that might be enough.
Shaving cream.
Yeah, that might be enough.
Green, yellow, red, or blue?
I want to do blue. I want to do blue.
No, we put that in there. Well, let's put the contact solution in.
Okay.
I think we got to do that last.
I want to do the green.
We doing blue?
I don't know.
That's what everybody voted for.
I want
I voted for blue too.
I want blue.
I wonder if my mom got some more. Probably make some more slimes.
It can make some 2 slimes. It can make 2 slimes.
I'm scared because I feel like it's a fail.
I kind of do too, but I think it's coming out good.
Chop.
This stuff feels good. You gotta put a lot.
Oh, yeah, it's coming together.
It's water.
Whoa.
Is that water
You don't want to put too much in there.
Is that water?
Stir it up, look close.
Alright.
Let me stir it.
Wow, I put it in there.
Let me stir it.
Can
Can
I
those
put some
stir
shaving
it?
cream on mine? A little bit.
Stir it. Oh, you got to hold the bags. That can stir it better. Come on.
What the?
This stuff is hard.
This
All right,
stuff?
where you put it in?
Alright.
It's on my
I see it
nose.
coming together.
Yeah,
Me too.
come on.
Ooh.
Some more.
It's been red. Whoa! It got on my face.
So you got to get back. Oh,
I
stir it
got
up.
back.
A
Whoa!
Uh-oh.
Whoa!
Uh-oh, it's coming together. The slime isn't a fail. Let me go ahead and put the food color.
Yeah, you can.
Put it blue.
Is it ready for us to put our hands in it?
Can I
That
put my
feels
hands
good.
in
I
it?
don't know. We need a little bit more contact solution. A little bit more.
Let me go ahead and put this in.
Hold on. You can't put that much. Put the contact
Whoa!
solution
Whoa!
in. Bag up, Jay. All right, let's go.
I bagged up. Whoa!
That's that blue. It's
Oh,
looking
let's
red.
make a rainbow slime.
No, can't do that.
Why?
I'm gonna add some more. Our contact solution.
Yeah.
I think we're just gonna start kneading it with our hands.
That's why I said get back, Jay.
Okay. I got back, David. I'm back.
All right.
Look, you put water on me.
Yeah, that's good. I wanna start kneading it.
No!
Yeah, this should be good. Let me feel it.
No,
It's a little sticky.
Yeah.
let me feel it. Can I feel it, Jeremiah? Can I feel it?
Hold on.
Can I feel it? It's too much slime. Whoa! Whoa! What?
I think it's pretty good. It don't stick to our hands as much.
It don't stick to our hand. I want to feel it.
Just add a little bit more. Yeah.
Keep going.
Yeah. Get
The
it
light
wet.
can make it something.
Oh yeah, add a little more. It's making that wire. It's not that sticky.
Okay. We need to get like a big bowl or something. Bigger.
Oh
Can
shit.
I feel it?
So we all can eat it.
Can I feel it?
Yeah, y'all can touch it.
Can I touch it? I need to put my arms like
Yeah, put your sleeves up, Carly.
It don't stink that much. That's it. I think it would.
You want to touch it, Carly?
Yeah.
Alright, let them touch it.
I think we need some more eye contact.
Oh my goodness.
Hold on.
Alright, watch out.
Y'all move your hands.
Wow.
Hold on, let's see. Hold on.
Hey, the water.
Put it all at the bottom. So it can just be like a pool.
Whoa.
In there.
It smells like glue. In there.
Because it is glue.
Hold on.
That sticks
Gotta
on me.
mix it up. Mix it in together.
It's sticky. It's not sticky.
Oh, it feels good.
It feels good. Let me put it in the table.
No, we can't do it. We can do it on the table when it's done.
Okay.
Ooh.
Ooh. What? Whoa. My hands are like a little bit sticky.
Alright, hold on.
Let me get it.
Alright, we need something to put it on.
Let's
Put it on the pen. Put it in the pen or something.
You think we can put it on the table?
I think so.
yeah, we
think
could.
So.
Just a little bit more context.
Let's just put the whole bottle in. Because it's still a lot sticky. That should be enough.
When it's done,
This feels real good.
this feels cheese. It feels like cheese.
Oh, it feels so fluffy.
Fluffy.
That's
Hold on,
all.
watch out. Move your hands. We trying to mix it. We're going to let y'all play with it.
Okay.
Let me see.
Oh,
Let me see. Put it in.
it barely sticked. Even though it looks like it's a lot on my hands, it's pretty good for the first time.
It's
It
a
can't
lot on your
stick
hands
on the
because
wall.
we
It
touched
can't
it
stick
before
on
it
the
was
wall.
actually ready.
You want to add some more?
Yeah, add some more.
Put water on.
Alright, that's enough.
Let's make it.
Remember, we don't want
It's
to add too
super
much.
fluffy.
Super fluffy.
Oh yeah, that's coming together real good. Let's go ahead and put it on the table.
Alright, that should be enough context for this.
Let's put it on the table.
Put some aluminum foil down.
Let's make some little slime for kids. Not big slime.
Y'all want to add some more dye? Some more food coloring?
Yeah.
come on.
I want to use
Who
pink.
wants to put it in?
Me.
Hold on. We can put some blue and green. Y'all want to put blue and green?
Yeah.
Okay, who wants the green?
Me.
You can get the hold up. Before we start doing this, Mom said we can put some wax paper on it. Under.
Hold on.
So
Let's
we
just
can knead it on there.
let them put that in first real quick.
Hold up, Gemma. Can you pull this?
Hold on. Just wait. You gotta wait. We not even done with the slime.
I know.
Do that afterwards.
Let me get the green. I want the blue. I want the green.
Yeah.
I want the green. Got put it in?
Don't put too much.
Hold on. Let him put it in first, Corvette. So we want to get it all over y'all sleeves.
That's should be good. That's good.
Yeah, that's good. Put it all around.
Okay, there we go.
Alright, that's enough.
Now we're gonna need to stir it with this.
Alright.
Let me stir it.
I don't know. You're not supposed to stir with that.
Well, you got it on the table, so.
So pull it together like this.
Huh?
Whoa. This is cool.
Mm-hmm.
It's cool slime. Can we put some, that's all the food coloring? Is this too?
Let's put it on the table.
Okay, you gotta put the wax down. I'm just trying to mix the food color in there.
Alright, we gotta move all this stuff out of the way.
Yeah, move your arm so you can put down the wax.
So we all can play with it.
What the? This is orange.
Alright, put it on here. Jeremiah. So they can for real see it.
Alright, I'm finishing.
I got
No, don't take it out like that. All you gotta do is dump it out. Take your hands out. Look. Look how all you gotta do is take it out like it's water or something.
Dang, that's all on your.
What? It's gonna get better. Alright.
Whoa.
Now we can dump it
do
out.
that.
I think we're gonna need some more eye contact.
It's too well.
Too sticky? Stuck.
It is real sticky. Look at all that slime.
Woo! Whoa. What's up?
That's the slime we made, guys. Hold on.
Let me get it.
Hold on. You don't want to add too much. It's on the table. See, it's sticking to the wax. See, bad idea. Fail. Hold on.
Maybe we'll
Put it back in there.
Y'all hold it down. Hold it down.
No.
Put the wax paper down.
Pick it up. Put it back in here. Alright, dump it off. Get it off. No,
Shake
pull
it
it off.
off. Shake it off.
That was not gonna work.
Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off.
I think we should have did that with
This is not a
Oh,
fail.
you kept saying.
It's some more in
You know
there.
what I'm saying?
Let me take some of that off.
We'll get it off.
Alright, y'all, I'm finna go wash my hands. Hold on. Let me stick it back on there.
I'm gonna keep kneading.
Let me play with the slime. I'm gonna play with this slime. Let me play with it.
Hold up.
Okay.
One of y'all pull my sleeve back. Pull my sleeve back. Is it on the table? Y'all.
It's on the bowl.
Get back in.
It's so sticky.
Mm-hmm.
It didn't stick on me.
Grab it. I got it. There you go.
I got my. Woo! I'll do it like this.
Carve, stop. I think this is gonna need some more eye contact because it's super shaky. Carve.
What? What do you want?
Ooh, I think this for real helps.
Let me keep adding it.
That's the slime oil.
Keep mixing. You gotta mix it while I'm doing it.
Excuse me. I wash my hands.
Good show. Yes.
Uh-oh, dang it. I got it on my sleeve.
Ooh.
I'll pull it off.
Can you pull my sleeve back? Okay, there we go. This should be fun. Can you add some more? Just keep on adding it.
Watch out, Carve. Don't do that.
What?
Mama! It's on channel 5!
Mix it good. Mix.
Miss
Yeah,
it
grab
good.
the whole thing.
Miss it good. Miss
Watch out for your
good,
shirt because
ay,
you're getting
Miss
close to
good. Ooh! It looks like. It smells like throw up.
See, that's better.
It smells like.
It
smells good. It still smells like glue.
Oh yeah, that's good. Oh yeah, it ain't even that sticky. Oh yeah, that's perfect.
It's a little sticky.
Hold on.
Yeah, it's a little sticky to me. It's
Go like
sticky
that.
to me.
No, hit the slime. Don't keep trying to pull it off. Hit the slime. That's how you get it off.
Whoa.
Don't put your hand all the way in.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
And then
I'm gonna wash my hands.
look, I'll pull that off. Now just go wash your
Let
hands
me
off.
play with the slime.
Alright, hold on. Wash your hands off, Lacoste. The rest of that not gonna come out.
Let me play with the slime.
Play with the slime. Play with the slime.
Whoa.
I think we're gonna need to add some more eye contact.
Oh no, I'm gonna make it a little darker. I'm gonna add some red.
Okay.
I feel like it's too light. Let's add some red to it. Watch out, Corbin. It's probably gonna make it a little purple. Let me pull my sleeves back.
I pull my sleeve back.
Y'all, we got the red enough and
Smooth it. Mix it.
finna mix it with the red.
Carve.
What?
I'm finna add some more.
Add some more.
I'm finna just add the whole bottle. The whole rest of the bottle.
Whoa.
I had to film this shit about too. It's all of it.
I mean, it ain't that bad. It ain't gonna be non-sticky, but it ain't that sticky. See, look.
I'm turning green. I'm not Pikachu no more. That's why I'm Pikachu. I'm yellow. Yellow.
Is this still sticky?
Not really, see?
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah. Oh, Carve got
barely
it.
sticks
Carve
in my
got
hand.
it
It's
on
like
your chin.
Oh, Carve! Hey!
Oh. On my head.
Yes, it's on your head.
I want to play with it. Guys,
Carve got on his head.
Carve got it off. Yeah, I got it in his hair.
I'm missing in.
It's slime.
Jeez.
Watch out, Jay. Look, so I can show you.
How do you make it out of flour?
Make it out of glue, shaving cream, and contact solution. Or you can make it out of detergent, water, and glue. Like, you can make it different ways. I think I kind of messed it up, look, Carlos. It made it like a kind of ugly gray color.
Doing a volcano.
what?
I think I gotta take off my suit.
Can I play with
Let's
it?
add a little yellow. We just added all the colors.
That's what I was finna say.
You making it yellow? Go.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull my sleeves all the way up.
Yeah, Carver. Put your fingers
None of
in.
my chicken
like
arms
that.
get messed up.
So it come on. All right, go. You gotta go rinse
Go
off
wash
your
your
hands
hands.
again.
Go wash your
rinse
hands.
them off.
Let me get away from him.
All right.
I just lost my hand.
Hold on. Put it down so I can get this out. Like, hit it.
Oh, hit it.
Like, pull it off and then you hit it. Yeah. Alright, stop, because you getting it on me.
I want to do the rest of the meeting. This video 20 minutes long already.
It's not going to be 20 minutes when I edit it, because I got to edit some stuff out.
Jeremiah, y'all ready?
No.
Huh?
No.
I got a big mess to clean up.
We gotta go.
We're not done with the video.
Well, hurry up with the video so I can go, because I'm sleeping.
Take a nap.
I gotta go home and take my nap.
Take a nap. Take a nap right now.
So that stuff that's like that is glue. I thought it was flour.
She touched it.
Stay in my house.
See?
Yeah. Okay. It rolls right off your hand.
Just about.
Okay, we get ready to go.
Alright, come on, y'all, so we can do the outro.
Hurry up.
I'm just gonna keep on playing with this.
You know where your shoes at?
Alright, put it down so
Can
I
I
can
get
show
it? Can I get some Oreos?
No,
Oil. What's that?
look.
Oreos.
Don't stick your fingers in it, just tap the top of it.
Can I get some Oreos?
Yeah, like that.
Greg.
Yeah.
Ugh,
You're gonna have to wash your hands off. No, let me see, because you just getting more and more on.
I got this. This.
Ew.
Alright, watch out. We getting it all over the table.
I can't mix it with this.
If we ask for more water,
Jeremiah, you gonna stay in my house?
some Oreos.
You gonna stay in my house?
What you say, look on it?
If we ask for more water, ain't that kind of like contact solution?
It shouldn't hurt it. You just don't want to add too much.
I got
to it.
some Oreos.
Yeah. Alright, sit down, Jay. We're finna do the outro.
Okay. I can't play with this line.
You wanna play with the slime? Hold on, Carbe.
No, you don't need to play with it right now. You can play with
And make sure when you ready to put this up, make sure you put it like in a container. You gotta put it in
A container? What's a container?
All the way. Talk in the background. Y'all, this is what I slime turn. It's an ugly color, but it's real good.
It's
It's
real
that good slime. It's that good slime.
I'm gonna play with my Oreos.
Alright, come some more.
Oreo.
Come on, so we do the outro, look, Carlos.
Right.
You wanna touch it there?
Okay.
It's real slime. It's real good.
No, quit touching it.
Alright,
Quit
come on.
touching it.
Alright, so
I'm gonna clean up this mess.
hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna help you. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and share on this video. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to his channel. It's gonna be in the description down below.
Yeah.
And hope y'all
slime
enjoyed your little
turn
slime video. The slime turned out pretty good. See? Jiggle
Wow.
slime. We made some
We have a
fluffy
big
slime. If you want to learn
mess.
how to make slime, all you need is shaving cream, contact solution, and glue. That's all you need. And you can
Hopefully
make
y'all slime
get
turns
some
out
food
better
color
than
into,
ours.
you know. But
Yeah. I
that's it.
remember
That's it.
this around.
My name's Gustavus.
Spy with my little eye, a girly I can get 'cause she don't get too many likes, a curly headed cutie.